Play together. Play together. Play defense together. Help each other. Blue juice. Put pressure on the ball. Everybody on defensive rebound. They are killing us with the rebound, guys. They are killing us with the rebound.
Every time that you make one extra dribble, we lost a chance to punish them. Hey, use even Nacho, 2 extra pesos. Pass to Nacho, pass to Nico, 2 extra pesos.
No es necesario decir que si tenemos un tiro lo tiremos. ¡Me cago en mi puta madre! Puta pérdida, un triple solo que hemos movido el balón de puta madre. Vamos con paciencia, pero hagamos cada jugada defendiendo una bien. La siguiente, un buen ataque donde haya un tiro. Otra defensa buena, demos las faltas.
Improve our defense. It's responsibility for everybody. In offense, Marco, no doubt.
If there are mismatch on the post, send it to the fondo, jump, and be ready to rotate. Fondo, in mismatch. Baseline. But pushing, try to steal the ball.
Okay, but okay. Go to kill them. Have the fucking ambition, guys. Hostia, we are allowed to make a fucking dunk. Let's go.
Now is the moment that we need to forget the score. Try to reduce to have any chances at the end, but don't look at just the score.
Let's go. 3 minutes and 40 seconds, and we are losing by 2. So nothing for us. Nothing.
De la salida. Hey, I'm really proud of you. Estoy súper orgulloso. Let's go.